Welcome to Multisport at-home workout series. It's your boy, Milo, and we're going to be teaching you a brand new Tik Tok challenge today. Now, today's challenge is called the Tut Challenge. Looks like this. Tutting comes from a dance style called popping, and it was inspired itself by the hieroglyphics of King Tut. Now today we're going to teach you a whole sequence of tutting. Now to start off with, our first moves we're going to start off with is our hands in front. It's going to go 1. Now we're going to bring both hands in 2. Now to make sure that you guys are doing it right, your hands should be touching your elbows just like this. So let's start from the top. So it's going to go 1, 2. From here you're going to slide your hands out to your palm to palm. Now to finish it off, you're going to bring your elbows down, but you're going to keep your hands where they are. Just like this. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, hands in front. 1, 2, palm to palm, drop. From here, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but I have complete faith in you guys that you guys can do this. Now, your left hand is going to come up. It's going to go left hand up. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You're going to drop your hand down so that you're going to make this shape. Just like that. So let's try it from our hands like this. All right, we're going to extend the table. Add in the legs. Left hand comes up, shoop, drop the hands down, boom. Now to finish off the first count of 8, it's going to bring our hands down. It's going to go 1, and we're going to bring it up, 2, just like that. So that's the first count of 8. Let's try that from the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, hands in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Next move, all you're going to do, you're going to bring your hands out in front. It's going to go 1. You're going to bring it over 2. Now this time, when you guys bring it over, make sure that your hands are over your elbows just like this. Now to finish it off, your hands are going to go down, down, up. Left hand comes out, right hand comes out. Perfect. Let's try that from our finishing off our count of 8. So we just finished off here. It's going to go 7, 8, hands up. 1, slide, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now finish off. Left hand comes out. Left hand, right hand, and then bring your hands in fists. Just like that. Let's try that from the top. Nice and slow. 5, 6, hands in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands up. 1, 2, drop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shoot. Next moves, final moves. All of this, you're just going to open your left hand. It's going to go left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do that faster. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to bring both hands up, open. It's going to bring, to finish it off, it's going to do a little sneaky down. Yeah. So let's try it from hands up. Opening up. 5, 6, left hand first. Open, open, close, close, go. Open, open, close, close, open, down. Nice. Let's try that from the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 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 tap. Nice. Let's try that in music. Here we go. Here we go. Getting ready. It's a bit fast. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you guys just finished our Tut challenge. Now we want to see your guys and how you guys do it. Feel free to post on TikTok. Tag us at Dancefever Multisport. We'll see you guys next time. Thumb pinky. Take it easy, boys and girls.
Thank you for working out with the Dancefever Multisport team. We're making new episodes every day, so be sure to check us out here tomorrow. If you like this video, please comment and share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below to tell us what you want to see next. You can find our videos on our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and our new account on TikTok. Stay safe, stay active, and we'll see you tomorrow.